morning, my dear students. How are you all? Welcome back once again. Today we are going to start our chapter Tell Us Apart. Here we will study about crocodiles and alligators, moths and butterflies, turtles and tortoises, rabbits and hares.
My dear students, let's start our chapter 2, Tell Us Apart. Pictures are shown on your screen. Here, some animals are so similar that you can't tell them apart. Let's see some of such interesting cases here. In this chapter, we will study about crocodiles, alligators, as shown on your picture on your screen, moths and butterflies, turtles and tortoise, rabbits and hares. Now we are going to study one by one. First of all, we are going to study about crocodiles and alligators. Crocodiles and alligators both belong to the order Crocodilia. The best way to determine how they are different in look at the shape of their head. Crocodiles have longer head and it's shaped like a V, while alligator have short heads shaped like a U. Letter U. You can also tell the difference between these animals by checking their teeth after they have closed their jaws. If you see the teeth jutting out along the jawline of animal's closed mouth, it is a crocodile. The alligator's teeth get hidden when it closes its mouth. Basically, crocodile have a longer, more V-shaped head and alligator have shorter, wider head. And alligator's shape are which type? U-shaped. Next one. Crocodile have 4 tooth of stick when its mouth is closed, and alligator teeth get hidden when it closes its mouth. Now we are going to study about moths and butterflies. Moths and butterflies are both belong to the order Lepidoptera. Looks closely at the antenna and the wings of these insects to find differences between them. A butterfly's antenna will be club-shaped with a long shaft tipped by a bulb and wings that fold up vertically over its back. A moth's antenna will be feathery and it has wings which are tent-like and fold over the abdomen. Here you can see the pictures of moths and butterflies, both are given. How you will recognize the butterfly? If the antenna will be club-shaped, it is a butterfly. If the antenna will be feathery and it has wings which are tent-like folded over the abdomen, then it is a moth. Now, third one, turtles and tortoises. They both belong to the order Testudines. The primary difference between these two animals is their habitat. A turtle lives mostly in water, with webbed feet designed for swimming and have light-weighted shell. While a tortoise lives primarily on land, it has a heavier dome-like shell and stumpy feet that enable it to navigate through rough terrain. How you will recognize that this is a turtle and tortoise? Mostly a turtle live in a water. Turtle have webbed feet and it uses for swimming, and turtle have light weighted shell, and tortoise has a heavier dome like shell and its feet stumpy that enable it to navigate through rough terrain. Now my dear students, last one, rabbits and hares. Rabbits and hares both belong to the order Logomorpha. They both belong to the order Logomorpha. Hares are larger and faster than rabbit, with longer and stronger hind legs and bigger feet. Their speed helps them to run away from danger, while rabbit tends to escape to their warrens when threatened. Here, how you will recognize that this is a rabbit and hare. Hare are larger and faster than rabbit, with longer and stronger hind legs and bigger feet. Their speed helps to run away from danger, and while rabbit tend to escape to their warren when threatened. My dear students, I hope you all have understood this lesson. This is about some animals. The pictures are shown on your screen. Now it's time for your homework. Look at the questions. Your question number 1 is differentiate between crocodiles and alligators. Question 2, differentiate between moths and butterflies. These are your questions. My dear students, I hope you all will do your homework at your home. Thank you so much. God bless you.